How to set up MetaMask wallet. What is MetaMask? MetaMask is a browser plugin that serves as an Ethereum wallet. MetaMask allows users to store Ether and other ERC20 tokens, enabling them to transact with any Ethereum address. By connecting to MetaMask to Ethereum-based apps, users can spend their coins in games, stake tokens in gambling applications, and trade them on decentralized exchanges. How to set up MetaMask wallet. To use MetaMask, you can use either Chrome, Brave, or Firefox. For this guide, I'll be using the Chrome, but the steps are nearly identical for other browsers. Install MetaMask in Chrome. Now click Get Started to begin the registration process. You have two options: to import wallet, or you can create a wallet. You can click No Thanks for complete peace of mind. It won't hamper your user experience with MetaMask. Now create a strong password. Now it's time to save the secret recovery phrase. Then click Next to proceed. You see a word puzzle to rebuild that phrase, exactly the way it was, so MetaMask goes to lengths to ensure you remember this important phrase. Click on Confirm button. And now you will see the congratulations message on the last screen of the registration process. Finally, click the All Done on the congratulations page to enter into your wallet dashboard. What advantages does MetaMask have? Popular. It is commonly used, so users only need one plugin to access a wide range of apps. Ease of use. Instead of managing private keys, users just need to remember a list of words, and transactions are signed on their behalf. Saves space. Users don't have to download the Ethereum blockchain, as MetaMask sends requests to nodes outside of the user's computer. Integrated. Are designed to work with MetaMask, so it becomes much easier to send Ether in and out. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.